you still don't understand what it means to do tshuva. Because you still answered to yourself what is the tshuva solution, and you haven't really found the real solution. You answered yourself. You went to a class and a rabbi said, you must learn this, and another rabbi said, you must go that direction, and you have to do this, and that's a minimum that you should do for Hashem. And you collected all those understandings of all those people around you, and your own negative patterns that are breaking your mind from within all day long, 24/7, even in Shabbat, even in Ra'avad Ravin, Mincha of Shabbat, Shabbat afternoon. Over there you're in the worst condition of them all, chasing yourself and blaming yourself. You're not doing enough, and you're not good enough, and you're not worthy enough, and you're never going to succeed, and you're never going to make it, and you're killing yourself on daily basis. In every moment you're disappointing yourself, and you're hurting yourself, and you're blaming yourself, and you're slaughtering yourself alive. And by that you're losing all your energy and all your power to grow and to succeed and to bloom. And where it's all coming from? From one basic mistake, that you try to grab Hashem with your physicality, with your hands, with your eyes, with your mind, with your thoughts, that people will agree with you on your path. You want to hear what they say, and you want their answers to answer yours. You don't have the inner connection to the Creator, and you're trying to establish an external one. You want that the rabbi, that the teacher, that the community, that your family, that your siblings will confirm your path and will tell you, you made it. You don't want to do it. You want people to tell you you did it. If you will want to do it, you will run for your life. And you're going to find your own path of truth and going to find it. And you're going to find the answer within. You're going to know what's good for you and what does not do good to you. You're going to find it inside yourself.